I hope this is good, working out good. I'm not really that good at this photography stuff, but I've been getting around, going along, and I'm getting a lot closer. So at this point now, I'm taking a lot thinner cuts. Alright, so as you can see, maybe, I hope, the two beads are really starting to show up there. When I look up here, I'm really close to being there. Oh. So a little more work and we'll be there. But that's how the duplicator works. As you can see, sharp cutter blades. And I buy these are Recon. They're not Shopsmith. They're Recon or Vicon at the wood store. That's where I get these. They're a lot cheaper. And they work. So, that's it. It's getting close. I'm not sure how much I want to show cutting or fast forwarding. I'll figure that out when I start editing all of this. But it's fun, you know. It is. It's a lot of fun. And using this wood, this isn't really a great turning wood. It's pretty soft. But for the demonstration purposes, and of course the cost, it was firewood. Wood chips. That's the other project coming up, the composting toilet. Okay, so thanks for watching. All right, you guys. I'm going to hand hold this and try to show this. I'm down to where now it's the sanding part in order to get everything the same, but this is the original part. And here's the final part. So as you can see, if I do some more refining work on it, I will get it as exactly as it should be. When we pull it back, Can almost tell. So that's how the duplicator works. And it does work well. Morning, YouTube. All right, I'm gonna conclude the Lathe duplicator. I hope it showed you a couple things you were looking for. I got bored doing it. I'm sorry. I'm not meant to be a teacher or anything like that. So I want to move on to a project that I need and will be useful. But I did that, and this is how it came out. I didn't finish cutting everything all the way through. I just wanted to show you how I set it up and how it cut. So I hope that answered any questions. If not, please leave comments. Then I'll come back and I'll address whatever needs to be done or more of a video. But I need comments in order to do something like that, because I have no idea what you really want to see. But I'll do what I can. So we're going to move on to another project next week. And I hope you enjoyed this one, and look forward to continuing doing videos for you guys. So thanks very much for watching.